Thank you, but no, we don't need you anymore. Okay? And I'm turning a rapper now, so when I turn a rapper, I get richer and richer, so I can get bigger counselor to help us our relationship. So thank you. Okay? Yeah, I see that you feel sad, but it's okay. It's like that sometimes. So you get fired because when I talked to my lawyer was saying that you can't have somebody counseling you about your relationship, and then when the relationship done, they say bad stuff. Your head is maga, your head is pin, you is craving here, you is timing clothes. So they say I can sue you for definition of character. But
sue me for what?
When I get the right word, I will tell you. So
no, I want to hear the word now. What is the word? What of character?
Defamation of character.
Oh, I thought it's the definition.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm a big man. I can tell the truth. I did say definition because that's my favorite word in my vocabulary from I learned it last week. So I use that word frequently.
You use the word definition a lot in your vocabulary?
Yeah, because I learned it last week. So you know when Jamaican people learn a word, they use it every time. So that's why.
Definition.
Definition. Yeah. It's my favorite word now till I learn the next word. Oh, I just learned the next word from you. Vocalization.
I never said vocalization, but that was awesome. That was actually a real word. So progress.
So what's the word that you use?
I said vocalize.
Vocalize.
Yeah. Well, you said vocalization, like you took it a step further, so you should clap yourself.
Oh. Okay. You can breeze the ends now. I finished talking to you now, so you can go now.
Swiss, you can. Swiss.
Bro,
and then when I disrespect you, it's a problem. You can't just, all right, Perry, have a wonderful night.
No, sorry about that. Sorry about that. My lawyer just called me and said, they know you're coming to with something to talk to me about. We study you now. You talk to me nice in the first half. By the time you're ready to leave, that's where the disrespect come. So I'm trying to make you breathe the end before the disrespect come. Just like what you tell him for buy something for me here. And then me I say, good, at least him now it's time, you know, he might tell me the truth now. Then by the time you're ready to come off our life, that's when the radam come in.
I wasn't gonna say anything bad though.
Okay. You want to be the counselor, say me, or not?
I mean, you told me I was fired, so.
I will call my babe and we will reconsider about it because she really fuck with you. So I will call her and then if she say give you a chance, then. But for me, I want to fire you. But for she wants to stay. So you want me to call her?
I mean, you can let me know. I'd appreciate the work, but if I'm no longer required, I'll take my leave of absence.
Okay, and that's what I like you do. You understand things. You don't take it in a bad manner. You really understand. So I just want to tell you, have a great day with a sponge head and stay safe. In their country, I mean, your cricket, why you quiet? Somebody like cricket, like cricket are foreign. I mean, your cricket, no, like. So, have a great day.
I'm gonna take the high road tonight.
You got back your job. You got your job, you know? You got your job.
I appreciate that. Can I be put on retainer, please? I would like to be put on retainer.
You sure that no?
Never style yo. That I word the liquor chip. Stop. Flawless.